What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on FNGR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we got to the tick this movement to the downside, during which this asset lost about 17.5% of its value. Then I will continue with the fundamental news. And I will show you very weird actions and very weird facts that we have on the table right now regarding this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. As I already mentioned, I made my previous video just a couple of days ago at this very point, when this asset tried to hit this swing high, and then it had a bounce to the downside, and my main assumption at this point was that we should retest at least 0.5 and 0.65, 0.618 fib levels in order to unload this entire structure to see the next potential leg to the upside that might hit higher target, and this target was set by me at the level of about 9.5 or 9.6 all the way up to $10 mark. And as you can see, we caught this movement to the downside. This asset acted exactly as I predicted. But in order to find out what might be its next movement, wait just a couple of minutes and I will show you it in my technical analysis. So let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this tweet that was made by Kristen Shaughnessy, and she wrote this: FNGR. CEO Martin Shen stated, "We are committed to understanding the recent stock fluctuations and are taking steps to protect our shareholders." It's important to note that Mr. Basil is a former law professor who has been actively involved in combating dilution funding for the past 8 years. In 2021, his firm achieved a significant legal victory against a toxic lender, setting a precedent that has saved many public companies tens of millions of dollars. Since then, they have successfully appealed to several federal trial courts judgments, leading to a reduction in lawsuits by dilution founders against public companies in the past 18 months. And this statement is quite promising, but it was made because of this, let me show you again, Kristen Shaughnessy's previous tweet. She wrote this: another hit piece on FNGR by a so-called research group that disclosed in its last report it is short FNGR. And here she refers to the Capybara research Twitter account, and I have to say that we have a lot of weird things right here. First of all, let me show you that this Twitter account has only 596 followers. Not so many, I have to say. Then this first tweet itself is not appropriate, in my opinion, for this type of companies and for the interactions in between, in between their viewers and their customers. So, but let's take a look inside these tweets. So, Capybara Research made several tweets within the last several hours that are not so bullish, and I have to say that it is another bearish strike of FNGR by this company. And I don't want to dig deep inside these tweets. I want to show just several of them. FNGR is pitched as a high-growth company. The reality is revenues are down for the second quarter in a row. The optimistic SMS/MMS business revenue came in at a whopping $8,192, yet in their 10K they claimed to process more than 150 SMS messages per month. And I have to say that they are trying to inverse the facts, and I covered FNGR recent earnings report, and I found, as for me, I found it quite strong report with very good projections, with very good numbers, and this company fundamentally is quite a good company, I have to say. And all of these facts, so-called facts, are nothing else but another hit piece tweets, hit piece articles that are trying to push the FNGR stock lower. And I have to say that they are quite successful in these actions. As you can see, their previous disclosure of their short sellers report was made at the very beginning of October. And right after they published this earnings report, this asset lost about 40% of its value in a matter of just one session. And for now, they also have they achieved, so-called achieved this goal to push the price of this asset lower. And I have to say that the most important thing, in my opinion, is not the fact that Capybara Research is still trying to push FNGR stock lower. The most important thing that this asset, we have a lot of weird things. First of all, let me show you again the search results. If you type FNGR stock in Google search, in YouTube search bar, you will not find any recent videos regarding this asset. And I have to say that if you try to click on any YouTubers right here, for example, Avid Trader, as you can see, his video was published 9 days ago. And let me show you that he published a video regarding FNGR. Let me show you right here, just 4 days ago. And we have a lot of this type of discrepancies in these search results. And let me show you that right here, if you try to find any news from Google, you will also, you will not find any of them, any recent news regarding FNGR. They have just generic, as you can see, generic mention of FNGR in the list of most active ticker symbols. And by the way, about most active ticker symbols, if you take a look on stocktweets.com website, in the most active section, you will not find this ticker symbol in this list. You cannot find the FNGR ticker symbol on trending section, and you will not find it on the watchers section as well. And how it is even possible that this quite strong community of stocktweets.com website, they don't pay enough attention to this ticker symbol. So it is very weird. On top of that, we still don't have any mentions regarding this ticker symbol from Wall Street Bets community. And you might argue that this asset doesn't have enough retail investors who might be involved in the process of investing in this company. But let me show you this. According to Fintel.io website, institutional shareholders have only 1.3% position in this company. Next number is right here. Insider ownership is 85.06%. But the rest, about 14% of their stocks belongs to retail community. And definitely this shows that a lot of people from retail community should be involved in the process of discussing this asset. And I cannot find any information regarding this. On top of that, let me show you another quite interesting detail. We are still on Fintel.io, and we are in their section of short sales activity. And as you can see right here, 3 hours ago, it was about 35,000 shares available for shorting. But the short borrow fee rate is the highest one among the last 15 days, among the last 2 weeks. 242.22%. It is extremely high, and definitely this asset is still on the list of potential short squeeze. But here you can see that the off-exchange short volume ratio during the last couple of sessions became lower from the highest point at on October 18th. At the level of about 64.37%, all the way down to 44.02%. And this means institutional investors shorted the stock using the off-exchange volume. And basically, I think it is some kind of weird situation in general, when we have this tiny company that has only a couple of short sellers reports, and that has only less than 600 followers, not 600,000, but just 600 followers. they have this huge impact on the company that has a total market cap of more than $273 million at the moment. So I think it doesn't make sense, but it is what it is, and we have to move forward. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have this small blip below the lower border of the golden pocket range. This means technically we might see another leg to the downside. And then, as long as this pivot holds the bottom of the retracement of the third wave on a bigger scale, we still have our price target at this level at around 9.5 all the way up to $10 mark. And for now, I have to say that this structure to the downside has almost completed 5 waves in it, and this means we might see this trend reversal in upcoming sessions. But definitely this asset is very risky because it is on the radars of short sellers. That's why just be cautious with any of your positions. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.